Welcome to my channel and welcome to my cooking rubric. Today's video is going to be about cakes or how to make this awesome amazing Napoleon cake that has no added sugar. And before we go further with this video, I want to ask you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are interested in my content. Don't forget the bell so that you get notifications every Friday when I upload a new video.
First, preheat your oven at 350 degrees and then bake 2 puff pastry dough sheets for about 30 to 40 minutes. So for the first part of the cream, mix milk, eggs, flour, and coconut condensed milk. I will leave a list of the ingredients and the right proportions in the description, so be sure to check that one out. In a cooking pan, pour the milk for part 2, check description, add the agave, the butter, and the vanilla, bring to boil. Slowly and gradually add the mixture of part 1 while mixing, and you should do that until you have a creamy consistency. In a cooking pan, add agave and blueberries, then bring to boil. And then when the fruit juice is separated from the blueberries, strain it off and the sauce is ready. It's really easy to put this cake together. Start by crushing the puff pastry dough sheet and then follow with the cream and then add a little bit of the blueberry sauce and then do the same with the second sheet. However, make sure to leave a little bit of the puff pastry dough to decorate the top of the cake. Refrigerate for overnight and enjoy.
I hope you found this recipe very helpful and you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments if you made the recipe and how you liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can watch it. If you have not had the chance yet and you really enjoy my videos, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the bell notification, and I will talk to you guys next Friday with a new video. Bye!